Hey, it's Bortone, your go-to video guy, and I want to talk a little bit about green screen, what we used to call chroma key in the TV business. Now, I've got this lovely green screen behind me. Mine's actually on sort of a projector hanger kind of thing, but you can get any kind of a green background. And if you're doing a Zoom meeting or Zoom video, you can use the virtual background function in Zoom to create pretty much any background you want. Now, it comes with a couple like the infamous San Francisco and Planet Earth and things like that. But the main thing about the green screen is that you want to make sure that it is well lit, evenly lit, because if it is, you're going to get a much cleaner screen in the background and it's going to look more realistic. So remember to flood your green screen with light so that it is adequately and evenly lit. Once you do that, you can use pretty much any background you want. In fact, if you check the link below, I've got over 50 cool free backgrounds that you can use. Everything from the bridge of the Star Trek Enterprise to offices, to living rooms, to Schitt's Creek, to the transporter room, to Jerry Seinfeld's apartment, all kinds of fun stuff that you can use as your background in your videos. So once you've got that green screen and it's well lit, you can put in any background you want, which is great. And you can find all of these cool backgrounds for free at the link below, and they're on a Google Drive. You can download them and you can use them as your video background. Remember, you want to have a green screen, you want to make sure it's well lit, and then you can put it behind you whatever you want. So have fun with it. Check out the link to get all the backgrounds, and we'll see you online.